Hey people, Maddie here for another video. And today is our our house video. Let's go, my den. Okay, so there are three main basic things. Going in my den, okay? I have a normal house, like this one, with my two very cute puppy dogs. And let's go see my other houses. I haven't had a chance to decorate most of them. Now to the Crystal Palace. As you can see, there's a spot down here which I'll show probably, I'll end my video there. Are you coming, Dark Knight? And then up these stairs. This is my pet room. Everything is good. Now, let's just go downstairs and see this bunny over here with a candy cane. Wait, let me stay there. I'm coming. This is my sister, as you may know, because we've done a lot of videos, right, Lillian? Hi, Lily Pad. Okay, so Lillian, we're doing a demonstration. We're doing a house video of the houses I have. Okay. So, are you coming? Oh, she wants me to trade her. So let's get the trading on, and then we'll go back to what we were doing. Lillian, do you want to see all my houses? Lillian? Your stuff stinks. Oh, really? Says the person who only has one spike. P.S. peeps, I have two of the same spikes. And so basically, yeah. So I'm going to get back to the video. And we're going to pink and blue spike on trade. Ooh. Stay there. Want two spikes for 1 million? Yeah. And what do you want for your pink and blue spike? Because I've certainly not given you all my animals. What do you want? Okay, on with the video. The next house we have is the restaurant. I think my sister's favorite. Right, Lion? I think it's my sister's favorite. Sis, what do you want, Lion? This is my other house. I'm going to put a decorate now. Okay. Don't stand in the fire, Lillian. Standing in the fire. Okay, so let's get decorating this place. It's boring. Yes, we know, Lillian, we know. We know it's boring. I think we pretty much already know that.
I see the boys outside. You do? We'll go out after 30 minutes.
You're just trying to lure us outside, aren't you? And plus, I can't. Guys, we're ending this video a little short today, I think.
Are you decorating it?
Yes, I'm decorating it.
Oh, I left.
That's okay. I'll tell you when to come back, okay? Leave a comment below if you want me to do other types of videos. Like, I can do narwhal.io. I'll actually do narwhal.io the next time I do this so that you guys can see what it is and you guys can know what, like, the details. So, before I leave, guys, I'm going to show you really quick my newest house, the mushroom hut. So, let's go tour it out. Once my screen stops freezing. So, the ground here with like this. Oh, this is my chair. I don't know if you realized, but ew. Let's just not see this bottom part because it's gonna bar. Yeah, I set this up for 2 kids because in my video yesterday, I don't know if you guys saw it. My video, last weekend. I don't know if you guys saw it, but we were doing stuff. So, I don't actually think I recorded that. Okay, so we're gonna end this video. Lillian, can you come here real quick so we can end this video? We're gonna go on this huge flower right here. Over here. On this flower.
Lily pad.
Wanna go on the lily pad? Okay, doke. Start dancing. So guys, we're gonna end this video here. Lillian, that's your name. I'm not. Okay, guys, we're gonna do a really quick short added on to this video. Everyone's gonna get dressed up. Right, Lil? Okay. You have to sweep everything off. And you can add pets. And then in the next video I do, I'll look at the comments and see which one of us won. Lil, you can't go shopping to get anything. I already have a theme I'm dressing up as. Okay, tell me when you're ready. I'll just look at pets. Hold on. Do you have a pet? So wait until I get on. Okay, tell us what your theme is. Well, change. Move, because it's not working on mine. No, you didn't. You stayed the same.
Yeah, I did. I put boots on.
Oh, I did not see that. Okay, guys. Loyan, line up so that they can see it. Okay, peeps. Hope you liked our video, and remember to put a comment on here. And wait, Lo, you want to hear all the music that I have? No, don't say my name. Do you want that one? And guys, gift me to gift my sister, and gift me so I can have some stuff. And but yes, like we will literally take anybody request. Give me, sis. What do you want? Tell me what you want. Okay, guys, that's it for. I will love. So. No. It's not fair trade. Alright guys, bye-bye for now, and Lillian, say your thing. Hey, that's fair. No, it wasn't. Subscribe! Bye guys, make sure to subscribe, and me ate you. Alright, that's it. Bye guys, hope I make another video soon, and make sure to subscribe. Bye. Bye, Lillian.